Part 3. This is sum of the terms of a given finite, meaning kaybaw ka sa number of terms nga gi-add. Kaybaw ka pila ka buok silang gipa-add. Gisultian ka pila ang n nga imong ipa-add, meaning find the sum of the 8 terms, find the sum of the 6 terms, find the sum of the 10 terms of geometric sequence. So kaybaw ka pila sila ka buok imong gi-add ng finite or finite geometric sequence. So para itong buhaton ron. So here, the formula in your module, page 7, is denoted by, is given by SSN, S meaning sum, of N meaning the N. Ang N diha nag-represent na siya sa kung pila ka terms ang imong gipa-add. So, wala kung 8, N imong ipuli diyan, so on. And then there is A sub 1. I don't have to discuss you with the derivation anymore because it will make this video very long. So all you need to do is check the derivation of how the formula was made in your module page 7. So we have A sub 1 times 1 minus R raised to the power of N, and then all over 1 minus R. And then there is a side note there na R should not be equal to 1, or R should be, asa na to? R should not be equal to 1. Nga naman, because it will give you an undefined answer. Sa imong denominator, ma-0 man. So 1 minus 1, kung R mo 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So we can't solve that. So your common ratio should not be equal to 1. Okay, so this is the formula. And what are the values or unsa man namang dapat mga need diri dapit? N, you need N, meaning that number of terms nga gipa-add kung pila ka buok require. Kung ang 8 ka terms, 7 ka terms ba ang gipa-add, 20 ba ka terms ang gipa-add, 30 ba ka terms. So mao na diha imong kuan. And you also need a sub 1 or the first term and your common ratio. That's very important, common ratio. So now I'll give you an example. Example found in page 7. Page 8, task 2. So you have to find the sum of the first 5 terms. You're given the sequence. Daghan kaayo ang gihatag dira. Ang gihatag dira is 4, 12, 36, and so on and so forth. Di na lang ako tiwason. Ang gihatag dala is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ka terms. Nya, 5 ra ang ipa-add ha. Ang gisulti ha, find the sum of the first 5 terms. So therefore, in your given, ang imong isuwat sa n is 5. Kaya ang 5 raman, ang nag-una raman nga 5 ka terms ang gi-require. So kung gisultian ka pila ang gipa-add, meaning ana, finite na ang sequence. Adto na nimo kay kibaw makapila ka book i-add, diha raman kutob ang ipa-add. So kani nga formula imong gamiton. So nanakay n. A sub 1, obviously you have 4. So our n is 4. And then the common ratio we compute. Again, we divide. 36 divided by 12. 12 divided by 4. So we get the common ratio by dividing the previous term, the latter term by the previous term. So when we do that, we were able to get the common ratio, which is equal to 3. So we have our values. The n, or the number of terms na ipa-add, is 5, a sub 1 is 4, and r is equal to 3. So we substitute that in our formula. Di na lang ako i-rewrite ha. We have s, and then our n, gonna solve, is 5. Then you have, or na-solve, ang gipa-add, 5 ka terms, equals, and then, you have a sub 1, the first term. So the first term is 4. So imo nang isa pulihan diha 4. Then, sa formula na ng 1 minus your r is 3. So suwat ka 3. And then don't forget that it has, or it erase pa na nimo into an exponent of n, which is ang n asad is 5. Then close parenthesis, all over 1 minus, this time, r na sad, which is 3. Okay? So we simplify. Equals, this one is 4. Unahon na nimo ang naas kanang gi-raise into exponent kanang 3 raised to the power of 5. So 3 raised to the power of 5, that's 3 times 3 times 3. Kana lisod na gyud na, so kinahanglan na ginag-calculate kay more dako-dako na gini nga number. So kalima nimo i-times ang 3, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So kung kalimaon nimo 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81 times 3, that would be equal to 243. Okay, so 3 times 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243. And then, anong nasa denominator? 1 minus 3, yung na simplify. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So from here, atong tiwason, sa kakugamay, we have equals 4. Kanina sang nasa sud sa parentheses, kanang 1 minus 243. And remember, one small number minus bigger number. So 1 minus 243, that would be equal to negative 242. Na minus man, yeah, negative lang. So that is negative 242. Then, you copy kanang denominator nga negative 2. Next, multiply na sad ka sa numerator. Ang numerator na ay 4 times negative 243. Ay, 242. So, 4 times negative 242, that will be equal to negative 968. Okay? And then divide by negative 2. Now, this is negative divided by negative. So, cancel, cancel. 968 divided by 2, that would be equal to, 484. Sakto ba? 484. So that is the sum of the the 5 terms of the given sequence. So the sum of the 5 terms of the sequence of the geometric sequence 4, 12, 36, and so on is equal to 484. But pasabot kung imong i-add ang 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 108 plus 324, that will be equal to 484. Other examples are found on page 8, so you can check that. I'm just doing the video so to clarify you as to what the formulas or unsay mga gikinahanglan sa atong formula. So there you go. This is part 3, which is the sum of a finite geometric sequence. So kani nga formula ang gamiton or finite nga sequence or kani nga formula imong gamiton kay bawman ka kung pila ka buok ipa-add. Ang sa part 4 is infinite geometric sequence. So we'll see part 4 in the next video.